Hi guys, today I will make a snack that is famous in my area and easy to make for first timers, namely kerupuk basah. I will explain how to make it through in this video. History of kerupuk basah. Kerupuk basah are fish-based snack typical of Putu Sibau, the capital city of Kapuas Hulu Regency, West Kalimantan. Even though the name is kerupuk, At first glance, this snack looks like a typical Palembang pempek. The difference is that kerupuk basah, or in the local language are called timen, which are shaped elongated oblongs with a length ranging from 15 to 25 centimeters, with a diameter of about 2 until 3 centimeters. There are two excellent flavors of this kerupuk basah, namely toman fish and belida fish. But here I use mackerel fish meat as the main ingredients for kerupuk basah. The price offered for one portion is 10,000 rupiah to 15,000 rupiah, depending on where we buy it. Although they come from the Kapuas Hulu area, kerupuk basah can also be found in a number of other districts, such as Sintang, Sekadau, Sanggau, including Pontianak City, which is located right along the Kapuas River. Ingredients of kerupuk basah and chili sauce. The main ingredients of kerupuk basah. And first, 1 kilogram of mackerel fish that has been finely cleaned. And number 2, 1 kilogram of tapioca flour or sagu. Optional, I use tepung tani. Number 3, 1 egg. Number 4, 6 garlic cloves crushed. Number 5, 1 teaspoon ground pepper. Number 6, a half cup of ice water is equivalent to 250 ml of water. 7, 150 ml of vegetable oil. And the last, salt and flavoring to taste. Chili sauce ingredients. 200 grams of mashed fried peanuts, 5 springs onion, 5 cloves of garlic, 5 large red chilies or curly chilies. The step for making kerupuk basah and chili sauce. Okay, first combine all ingredients to be the only one, like mackerel fish meat, 1 egg, 6 garlic cloves that have been crushed, 1 teaspoon ground peppers, 150 ml of vegetable oil, salt, flavoring to taste, and 1/2 of ice water is equivalent to 150 ml of water. Okay, and then we smooth it using a meat grinder. And this is an example of the dough below, like the image below. And then add flour little by little. The dough that is already smooth will look like the image below. The dough that has been given flour is then weighed 200 until 250 grams. The form into a round length, which usually a kilo of fish yolk, 12 until 13 sticks. And then the dough is formed like the simple dough. After the dough is formed, we boil or steam for 20 to 3 minutes. Remove and drain. This is the boil of steam. That's a sample, right? The next step, how to make peanut chili sauce. And first, grind the onion and garlic, then red chilies and saute in hot oil. And next, enter the peanut that have been fried and mashed, and then add enough water. After that, enter the flavoring sugar, salt, and a little tamarind water. After boiling, then remove from heat. This is example of after the peanut sauce is finished, it will look like the image below. Finally, chili sauce is ready to eat with kerupuk basah. Thank you for watching my video. Apologize if there are wrong words and writings in this video. I'm Aurelia Yolanda, 1220097 12 1830. See you.